Over 125 days of travel, 15 lakh kilometers covered, and a precision orbit insertion later, the Aditya L1 mission has been successfully parked at an optimum spot in the vastness of space from where it will have an unobstructed view of the sun. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared the news on X, formerly Twitter, and said India creates yet another landmark. India's first solar observatory, Aditya L1, reaches its destination. The spacecraft will now go through a commissioning phase, following which it will begin observing the sun to better understand how the star in our solar system powers life on Earth.